Every steel journey begins deep within the earth. Raw strength is first unearthed by machines of greater strength. Tons of material move with precise intent. From depth, the ore begins its ascent. Size is reduced, purpose refined. Flow replaces chaos. Only what meets specification moves forward. Material waits, ready for the next stage. Extraction is complete. Movement begins. Raw material leaves the land where it was born. Distance is conquered through coordination. Multiple systems converge to maintain flow. Bulk moves best on steel rails. The destination draws closer. Raw ore enters the industrial heartland. Timing here is measured in seconds. Gravity does the work without pause. The factory prepares to receive its raw power. Scale defines the language of steel. Nothing enters without order.
Human control anchors heavy automation.
All paths lead inward.
Steel's transformation begins at the threshold.
Experience moves where machines cannot. Heat and force define this domain. Every movement serves a sequence. The mill accepts its charge. Before transformation, purity is enforced. Control begins with uniform motion. Only what belongs continues forward. Impurities are removed, layer by layer. Water cleans what force cannot. Balance is restored before heat. Consistency is engineered, not assumed.
Nothing is wasted, nothing overlooked.
The mill is now ready for conversion. Precision begins at the feed. Ingredients move as one. Heat awakens the chemistry of steel. Fire becomes a controlled tool. Solid earth turns liquid. Release is measured, never rushed. Liquid steel begins its journey. Purity is enforced even at extreme heat. Now, steel is refined to purpose. Accuracy governs even molten force. Chemistry is reshaped under control. Carbon is driven out by fire. Balance is achieved through motion. Strength is engineered by composition.
Human judgment confirms machine output.
Steel reaches its final identity. Form is the next command. Liquid prepares to become solid. Form is defined in seconds. Heat yields to precision. Every millimeter is monitored. Machines correct before errors exist.
Length is standardized for purpose.
Identity follows material.
Transformation is not finished yet. Steel prepares for final shaping. Heat restores flexibility to strength. Force reshapes without mercy. Precision replaces raw power. Accuracy is constantly verified. Final form is achieved. Cooling locks structure in place. Movement never stops. Steel remembers its shape. Every product prepares to be judged.
Before approval, steel is questioned.
Human eyes still matter.
Machines see what eyes cannot. Strength is verified from within. Testing demands sacrifice. Proof replaces assumption. Limits are measured precisely. Chemistry confirms reliability. Only proven steel moves forward. Protection begins before the journey. Strength is preserved against time. Every ton is accounted for. Inventory becomes readiness. Completion takes physical form. The product meets the road.
And this is how modern factories produce steel from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.